Hi, I just wanted to check in and let you know about your next project that's coming soon. Not yet, but soon. Your next project will be a group project where you will be adding sound effects to a video clip. Your sound effects should focus on the correct frequency, like whether the video clip would require a high pitch or a low pitch sound. And they should have proper amplitude or volume to suit the video clip. Here are just a few examples from last year's group. Sounds like fun, right? Well, here are this year's video choices. So get your ideas together, whoosh, because we'll be starting soon.